it look like I'm doing?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you.
Well, if you look at what I'm doing, you'll get it.
Standing against elderly abuse. Boycott Palm Coast Ford. Okay. All right.
What's your name and badge number?
Are you videotaping license plates? That's what my call is.
I'm going to tell you right now, okay, if you come out here and you even tell me I can't record something from a public easement, I'm going to hold you liable under Chapter 21, Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983 and 1985 for conspiracy. You're dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed?
You're dismissed.
Really? Okay. Okay. I'm pretty sure I just asked you a question.
No more questions. I don't answer questions.
No more questions. Okay. All I'm asking
I want an attorney present.
Okay.
I want an attorney present for any questions that you have.
All I'm asking is just don't cause a disturbance for the people, okay?
I don't care what you're asking. You're dismissed.
I'm going to go talk to the guy. Let me see what's going on.
Have a good day.
This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Stand with her, please. Hey, Paul, how are you? Any party, sir?
I know she's got her rights, but she's videotaping people coming in and out. So we had a couple customers come up to us and say, "Is she videotaping my license plates?"
Yeah.
You know, and then she was blocking the stop sign, and we had a couple people slow down real quick. If she wants to do it, great. Move down, do something. We have nothing. I mean, there's nothing we can do.
There's really nothing that we can do either. She's on a sidewalk, public property. Nothing really we can do. She honestly doesn't want to hear anything that we have to say.
Of course not.
Not really doing anything wrong. She's allowed to do whatever she wants. Freedom of speech, obviously.
Right.
I'm going to ask him again to tone it down a little bit. Try not to.
I'm not even worried about that. Just move down. She's going to video. I just don't want her videoing my customers coming in and out. That's all. We don't care. She's done it before. She's been here. Oh, yeah. And you want to know the funny part? She's never bought a car from us.
Yeah, I get it. I don't even know what's to do with the sign. I'm not understanding. Is this something about elderly abuse?
We sold her parents a Ford Focus like 3 years ago. Her parents didn't want to make the payments anymore.
Yeah.
And I don't even think she's a she. I think she's a he. So.
I think so too.
And so she comes by whenever she's bored out in Satsuma, because that's where they're from. She drives all the way over from Satsuma and just protests. So we don't mind, but we just don't want to video them.
I get it.
Because they came to us. Otherwise, I'm going to call them. Because you go out there and talk to her. She doesn't want to talk to you. She just videos. She throws the video camera.
Yeah, I know. Trust me, I know. It's pretty much what I just dealt with. Technically, she's not doing anything wrong. You know that.
Right.
I told her to tone it down.
If not, just move down.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do. So am I. So pretty much, apparently this person's parents bought a car from them like 3 years ago. She couldn't make the payments, did something with the car, and this guy's just upset very much.
He's upset there, upset her? What's it
He's upset, yeah.
What's it
They keep calling it she, so I don't really know. Whatever. I'm not doing anything wrong. I updated him with some freedom of speech, bro. He's on public property. Not doing anything wrong. Did he give you a name?
No, but he needs to provide his identification.
This
if you want to push that issue, he does have to.
This is gonna be fun. All right. So here's where we're at.
I don't care what you have to say.
You don't care what I have to say. Okay, I do need you to provide me information.
I'm not going to give you ID.
You actually have to.
What crime do you suspect me of?
There is no crime.
Okay, so in Florida, if there is no crime, then I do not have to identify myself. Go fuck yourself. I'm not going to ID. I totally 100,000% refuse. I have not committed a crime. You cannot articulate a crime. You just said it in front of 27 people that I didn't commit a crime. If I have not committed a crime, then I do not need to ID. Bye-bye.
You do have to identify yourself.
I am not going to identify myself. Get it through your head.
Okay. Under Florida State statute, you do have to identify yourself.
I am not going to identify myself for the last time. I
Well,
refuse
you
to
need
say
to
it.
provide one.
Well, I'm not going to. I don't have ID on me anyway, so.
Ma'am, it is a crime if you refuse to provide your identification that I've requested of you.
Okay.
It is a crime.
Then you'll be held liable under 42
Okay.
U.S.C. Section
You'll also be
1983.
held
Are you
liable
going to
if you
arrest me
continue
right
to
now?
refuse.
Go ahead. Do it.
All we need to do is
I
make
dare
sure
you.
that-
I am not going to give you my ID.
Ma'am, why are you getting upset right now?
I am not going to give you my ID.
I don't understand
You
why you're
have
upset right now.
zero chance of me getting,
Okay.
of you getting
Can I
my
ask
ID.
why you're raising your voice?
You're coming at me.
I'm
You have
coming
3
at
deep
you.
right now, which is an intimidation
It's not
against my rights.
intimidation.
It is an intimidation against my rights.
We're actually
42
units, ma'am.
U.S.C.
Sorry.
Section 1983 for violation of 1st and 14th, Article 5 under the 14th Amendment, civil rights.
I
You
don't
guys want to
understand
play games? I'm telling you right now, I can pro say this. You're going to lose your qualified immunity. I don't want to talk to you. Get the hell away from me.
We're here because somebody called.
I don't
You're
care
gonna
why
listen to
you're
me
here.
now. You're
It
gonna
does
listen to me.
not matter.
Relax.
It does
It does
not matter.
I'm here for an investigation.
I don't care what you're here
Okay,
for.
it does matter.
Well, I'm not going to give you ID.
Okay, you're gonna listen to me now.
No, I'm not
because
going to listen
yes,
to you
are.
right now. I don't give a rat's ass what you have to say.
Okay.
So you can say whatever you
Okay,
want,
we can talk over
but
it.
you're
That's fine
on.
here. You're fine to be here and do what you're doing.
I know I'm fine to be here and do what I'm
Okay,
doing, and I'm not going to ID to
However,
you,
you need
and I don't
to-
really
you
care
need to
what you
stop
have to say.
causing
I'm going to talk
disturbance
over
because
you
here's the issue.
because what you
If
have
you
to
do
say
cause a
is
disturbance
really
and
unimportant to me.
and
So I'm going to
disturb
continue to talk
we are
over
going to
you.
arrest you
What
for
you're
disturbing
saying
the
is a waste of
Have a
time. I
nice
can't
day.
even
We're
understand
done. If
you.
you continue to
So
antagonist
just
me-
piss off and get lost.
She understands what
Alright,
the deal
look,
is.
man,
We have to go
just
back to
don't be
I
yelling.
don't really care what you have to say. Get lost.
Just don't be yelling.
I don't
That's all
care
I got.
what you have to say. Get lost.